Hi guys, what's up? So हम लोग अभी यहाँ पे So this is my first experience going inside. Let's go inside. So this is where you guys can book the tickets, and you're standing in the line.
Lost on his final expedition, trying to uncover the lost kingdom of birds. His disappearance left a dark shadow on the museum.
This looks like a snake.
Museum staff say you can still hear the ghost of Meriwether beckoning for someone to join him on his lost expedition.
Guys, अभी आप देख रहे हो वो मेरा फेवरेट होता है. So hey guys, this is what's his?
Boris.
It's Boris, and
Boris's tag down here. If you look, it tells you his birthday, it tells you when he was donated to us,
Oh, okay.
it tells you his lifespan, all of his information.
and that's military Macau. It's a military Macau. So as you can see, he's speaking something. Arthur. So this is Arthur, the military Macau, right?
No,
Yeah.
32. He's a military
32, nice.
Macau.
Yeah, he's kind of
But again,
active.
Arthur doesn't fly and he doesn't talk. It is all up to them whether they decide to learn these things or not, and he just doesn't want to. Bomb sort of sound and then like a charge.
Oh my god. She's quite trained.
But she has a feather destructive behavior, so that's what's going on her
Oh, okay.
chest and like
Yeah.
around her neck there. So she picked it up in a previous home. Like all these birds were someone's pet at some point, so they're all donated birds.
Yeah.
But it's just a feather destructive behavior that she has, and some of the other ones don't.
So speaking now. Big wings. Oh, nice. Wow. Lucy, hello. Peekaboo.
Say hello. Say hello.
Hello. He's nice. She's so. So guys, there's a lot of noise, as you can see. There's birds all over, on the top, everywhere there's birds. You can see the little birds. So they are all open and they're flying all over. There's a beautiful outside, beautiful view of Niagara Falls.